Hey guys, Recycled Racing here. Tonight is Boosted Behaviors Cruise in Poplar Bluff. We made a lot of changes to this car to get this thing ready. After our last event, I blew the transmission and wrecked the rear end. We have swapped in a new 4.9-inch rear end, rebuilt the TKX transmission, had the intake manifold ported and polished and reinstalled that, rebuilt the shifter assembly, got a new hood, and a bunch of other things I'm probably missing. So hopefully we make it to the parking lot for the cruise in. Join me, won't you?
Oh my God.
All right, guys, we're at our first stop here at J&L Tack. Used to be J&L Tack, now it's J&L Smokehouse Fish and Barbecue. If you guys haven't been here, they got some pretty bomb meats. The gang all out here. Riverside Hot Rods. We're about to head over to Boosted's event. See you out there. All right, guys, we made it. Got a little engine vibrations. I'm gonna have to take it to the chill pill tonight. But there are a lot of cars out here already. A lot of people have already showed up, and we're still 20 minutes before the event starts. So that's a good sign. Go check out some cars. All right, guys, we're about to start heading down the street here, doing the cruise in. I'm all strapped in, and let's see if we get pulled over and get some decent footage. camera was a potato doing shots in the night. Lesson learned, didn't get a whole lot of footage from that. I also had a crazy shake in my drive line, which I have determined to be a U-joint. So I was not trying to do some burnouts. I was kind of hoping to let these tires go, but so sorry the video was so short. It was fun out there. Boosted, thanks for hosting another great event. We'll see you at the next one. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Action.
On fire.
I just wake up and piss excellence, and I want to go fast.
You're not first, you're last.
Man, I was high when I said that. Did real good. Car ran real good.